Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by selecting 2 pounds red potatoes, scrubbed and cut into 1-inch chunks for even cooking. Place them in a pot, cover with cold water, add 1 tablespoon salt, and bring to a gentle boil. Boil for 12 to 15 minutes until a fork slides in with slight resistance. Avoid overcooking so they hold shape. Drain the potatoes and let them cool to warm, not hot, which helps them absorb the dressing without becoming mealy or waterlogged. Prepare the dressing by whisking 1/2 cup mayonnaise with 1/4 cup plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar for tang. Add 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon kosher salt, adjusting salt to taste while whisking until smooth. Fold in fresh aromatics, 2 tablespoons chopped dill, 3 tablespoons chopped celery, and 2 tablespoons chopped red onion for crunch and brightness. Taste and balance acidity, salt, and sweetness. A quick stir should yield a creamy, zesty dressing and gently fold the warm potatoes into the dressing with a rubber spatula, coating each piece without crushing. This preserves texture. Stir in 2 hard-boiled eggs, chopped, for richness, then season with freshly ground black pepper and add extra salt if needed after tasting. Transfer the salad to an airtight container and chill for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight, to let flavors marry and firm up the dressing. Before serving, garnish with a sprinkle of paprika.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.